Hi there, welcome back to Jolly Kitchen with Kiet. In today's episode, I will show you how to create a simple Thai curry dish called Panang. Let's get started. Traditionally, chicken will be cooked in a curry paste, but today I will try to make a little bit different. To push this dish into another level, I will cook chicken thigh fillets until golden brown for a better texture. We are going to start off by preheating the pan. Make sure the heat turn on to high to get the maximum browning. There are so many Thai curries use coconut milk or cream as the main cooking ingredient. Panang is also one of them. The dish consists of red curry paste, coconut cream, palm sugar, and fish sauce. It is slightly thicker than other types of curry. Once the chicken is cooked nice and golden brown on both sides, I will remove from the heat and set it on the side for now. In the same saucepan, add coconut cream. At this point, what I'm doing is to create a thicken and aromatic from slightly burned coconut cream. Once coconut cream heated up at a high temperature, it will eventually break down, so the water will evaporate, leaving only thick and creamy coconut. Now while at it, add a few tablespoonfuls of curry paste if you can take spicy food. I enjoy hot and spicy food as my palate is able to handle it. Now, if you do have access to fresh ingredients and want to make your own paste, I will put the list of ingredients in the video description or look it up on my website. Keep stirring until all well mixed. Then turn the heat down to medium. Let it simmer for a while until the coconut cream slightly reduced. Next is to start seasoning. There are a few elements in this dish that need to be looking for. A taste of sweetness from palm sugar and slightly high note of saltiness from fish sauce. When these two flavors mix together with coconut cream, it will give you an umami, the trio of Panang. Once satisfied with the flavor, transfer grilled chicken into the pan. Turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Use a spoon to pour sauce on top of the chicken fillet and flip another side for another 5 minutes. Last but not least is garnishing. This dish is very minimal. We have browned and now we are going to add some green and red. Thinly sliced fresh kaffir lime leaves. Add the color and aroma into the dish. Then top it off with the fresh sliced chilli. The dish is going well with the freshly steamed rice. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright guys, this is a simple Thai Panang chicken curry. If you enjoyed this video and want to support this channel, click that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Enjoy cooking. Bye!